You and your soon-to-be ex get your own lawyers, get one lawyer and share the lawyer, or go through mediation. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Taylor Wins. I'm a divorce coach, a divorce attorney, and a divorced mom of 4. And before I can answer that question, let's get some things straight about what people do in divorce land all day. Divorce attorneys, dedicated legal representation for one person and one person only. If you hire me, I have to represent you and your interests. I don't represent your soon-to-be ex-spouse. I don't even represent the interests of your kids. I represent what you want. So that's why a lot of people do get their own individual lawyer so that they can have dedicated legal representation for their viewpoint and their viewpoint only. Do people sometimes get a lawyer and then the other party goes unrepresented? Yes, they absolutely do. That tends to be when people are very amicable. There's nothing to fight about. Everybody has equal assets. We agree we're going to do 50-50 with the kids. We're going to run child support through the calculator. I'm going to take my stuff and you're going to take yours. And you just need somebody to basically scrivener in it, right? Everything is legally binding. You have dotted your I's and crossed your T's. I really like to say that backwards. Then there's mediation, right? And a mediator is a totally neutral third party that sits in the middle of the two of you, figuratively and literally, and helps you come to terms and make agreements about various things in the divorce process. You can mediate every single issue in the divorce. You can mediate just some sticking points that you have in the divorce, but that person's going to help you get there. Now, you can have any sort of configuration of this. You could each get an attorney, and you still will likely go through mediation. You can, one person get an attorney, the other person choose to be self-represented, or you can just go through straight mediation. You can go through mediation and hire a lawyer on the back end to scrivener that document like we talked about and get it where it needs to be legally binding. But it's all about the flavor of what it is that you want to achieve. How much money do you want to spend? How important is it to you to have dedicated legal representation for yourself so you know that you're getting what it is that you are entitled to under the law? Because remember, if the other party is represented and you're not, or if you're in mediation, that doesn't mean you're getting advice about what you yourself are entitled to. So just know where you need that, when maybe you're willing to compromise and be flexible, and make your decision from there. And it never hurts to go out and get some consultations and just get a flavor for what's available to you here in this divorce world. If you found value in this video, make sure you click subscribe so you can stay up to date on all things custody, divorce, and co-parenting with me. All right, see you in the next one.